Ever wish you could wake up to an influx of brand new service and parts leads and appointments waiting for your fixed ops department every single day? Join me, Pete Peterson, at NADA 2021 for my workshop, The Best Facebook Ads to Grow Your Fixed Ops Profits, a digital advertising cheat sheet that has helped dealerships like Power Ford generate a steady stream of additional service ROs month over month. I'll show you the top fixed ops audiences you should target for service prospects who are 3 times more likely to convert. I'll also teach you the simple yet essential tricks that you need in your campaigns to build loyalty with your sold customer lists, and how to recapture over 72% of service defects in your PMA. We're going to discuss how to increase the number of service customers, as well as ways to attract highest grossing ROs so you can fill your service department with the most profitable customers this month. Last, I'll show you how to scale these audiences over time so you never die out or waste your ad dollars. If you're looking to turn on the digital faucet that brings in more service profits while you sleep, well then this workshop is for you. Get ready to have some fun and we'll see you there.